Hi everyone, I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Wednesday afternoon, shortly after 4 o'clock. A lot of folks complaining about the heat, but listen, you've been complaining to me all winter. You wanted summer, so here it is. What is it at my house? It's 91 degrees, the dew point's up over 70. It's hot outdoors, folks. And it's going to be hot tomorrow too, and I'll tell you something, as I've been looking at the weather maps, everybody's worried about the 4th of July, the total day being a washout. I don't see it that way. I think if it rains here, it rains in the morning and it's done by midday, and I think by the time we get to Friday night, the rain is done, and I think the fireworks in Boston should go off without a hitch. That's what I think, but of course I've been wrong before. Really? Yes. All right, let's see what's going on in terms of watches and warnings in pink. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect till 9 o'clock tonight. That means the conditions are in the atmosphere are favorable for the formation of severe weather. There's already been severe weather in western New England with flash flooding and some severe thunderstorms, certainly northwest of Worcester County. Let's look at the Chatham radar. Again, this is as of, what time is it? About 10 past 4 on this Wednesday afternoon. So we're noting at that time heavy showers and thunderstorms coming into northwestern Connecticut, central Massachusetts, central and southern New Hampshire, and western Maine, moving off to the northeast at about 20 miles an hour. If this line holds together, it could be in Boston after 7 o'clock tonight. We'll be following that potential for you. Of course, the other story is Arthur, now located about 110 miles east-northeast of Cape Canaveral, Florida. Top winds are 60, moving north at 7. Pressure 29.44 in your barometer. Notice it's getting much better organized than I hear. I'm sure it's going to be updated to hurricane status as of 5 o'clock tonight. We'll have that for you. Here is the track as of noontime. This is what the National Hurricane Center is thinking. Now, notice that there's a cone of probability. To the far left, it brings it up over the Cape. To the far right, it's about 1,000,000 miles southeast of New England. But right in the middle is the track of choice, probably passing about almost 200 miles south of Nantucket, probably Saturday morning. I just don't think we're going to see any effects of the hurricane in Boston. Could there be on the Cape? Yes. In terms of rainfall, no. The rain that you get on the Cape Thursday night and Friday is from a cold front moving through and slowing down, waiting for the hurricane to absorb it into its system. That happens on Saturday. There's not going to be a lot of wind on the Cape. There could be very rough seas, very rough surf over the Cape and the islands. That's my biggest concern about this. I think it's a miss for all intents and purposes. So your 5-day forecast looks like this. Let me get that green line out of there. Tomorrow, variable clouds and sun. Not a terrible day, 85 to 90. Afternoon showers and storms could be severe. Now, Friday morning, it could be raining. I'm still not convinced of that, but it could be raining in Boston. And if it is, I think we partially clear during the afternoon. It'll be in the 70s and low 80s, mid 80s on Saturday with a nice dry northwest wind. Dew points really fall quickly behind the storm. And on Sunday, it's heating up again. It's partly sunny, 86, and by Monday, we're back into the soup, hazy, hot, and muggy weather, 90 degrees. So, you know something, before all the towns start to cancel their fireworks on Friday, I would wait. I just don't think it's going to be raining in Boston Friday night. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. So that's it. Of course, we'll be here throughout the night. We'll keep you posted. I'm meteorologist Mark Rosenthal.